the date today? 13/7/2020. Monday 10th IDACS 10th C. Okay. Yes, we'll start now. All of you listen carefully. Actually, we have discussed what to complete. I thought this trigonometrical ratio is my favorite chapter. Trigonometry, both the chapters are my favorite, which I have wanted to teach you very nicely in the class. But unfortunately, we don't know when we will have school, and other teachers have completed. So they told me to complete this chapter, and they also told construction we have to complete. So let us start trigonometrical ratio. If you all cooperate, it's easy. I want everyone should listen carefully, study whatever I'm teaching today. Please go through properly. When I'm answering tomorrow everyone should on the camera. When I'm answering, you should see the camera and you should say the answer. You should not see the book and tell. Okay, I'll be checking tomorrow. Okay, listen carefully. What is this trigonometrical ratio? This trigonometrical ratio, trigonometry means someone is entering. Yes. So 30 are there. Okay. Trigonometrical ratio. Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. What is trigonometry? What do you mean by trigonometry?
Measurement of
triangles.
Measurement of triangle. Trigonometry means, so you should also write in your classwork whatever this concept. Okay, beginning important things to remember. You should put and write important things to remember. Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. It is mainly based on right angle triangle. It is mainly based on right angle triangle. It's mainly based on right angle triangle. There are two types of right angle triangle, children. Can you tell me what are the two types of right angle triangle?
Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle.
Scale.
This one, scale. Ma'am.
In geometry box, you have two types of right angle triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the set squares? We call it as set squares. Set
One is
squares.
isosceles.
One is isosceles. Very good. Another one is
scale.
Isosceles right triangle. One is isosceles right angle triangle. Another one is scale and right angle triangle. One is isosceles right angle triangle. Another one is scale and right angle. So these two sides are equal. Here they will be different, but all are 90 degree. So we are mainly based on this right angle triangle. So we will be mentioning now in this chapter. We'll be mentioning theta. Theta means theta. Theta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are all is Greek letters. Greek letters. Okay. What are these Greek letters we use? Theta. Theta will be using Greek letter. Then sometime we will use this. What is this? What is this? Pi. This is also called phi. Okay, like pi value we will be writing like this. No, like this they'll call pi also. This also. Then we will use this. What is this symbol?
Alpha.
Alpha. Alpha. Beta. BBA.
Gamma.
Very good. So these all the angles we are going to use it as a reference angle. Okay. So things to remember you must write. What you should write in things to remember? Trigonometry means, mute yourself children. Trigonometry means measurement of triangle. It is based on right angle triangle. We are going to discuss mainly about isosceles right angle triangle, scale and right angle triangle. And we have a reference angle. One is 90 degree and two more angle we are having in triangle. In one angle, we take it as reference angle. That is only theta. Okay, we can use theta, 5, alpha, beta, gamma, anything they will use. Okay, most of the time we'll be using this theta only. Okay, now what are these? Now very important is trigonometrical ratios. Before we go to trigonometrical ratios, first understand the concept of opposite, that is perpendicular, concept of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular means we are using opposite side. Okay, base means we will do adjacent side. Okay, we will be using the word opposite adjacent. Okay, see our example.
Ma'am,
we get-
Naresh wants to get in, ma'am.
Naresh is very important. Naresh is important for us. You should not leave Naresh. Yes, Naresh. 2 accounts is coming inside with 2 accounts. Okay, now listen carefully, Naresh. This is trigonometry, very important chapter where you should never leave it. It is easy. If you study, no, it's very. Something else is opening. Where is this deleting? It's not at all deleting. Deleting thing. This one is delete, no? No chance. Now, listen carefully. It will be coming like this. How? How means in a right angle triangle. We are talking about right angle triangle in trigonometry. This right angle triangle only is not coming. Something else is coming. Hello, I'm in class. I'll talk to you later. What is this? Something is coming. Now, right angle triangle. I wanted to draw right angle triangle. Let us keep like this only. You draw proper right angle triangle, children. Okay. In right angle triangle, suppose we take rotate. How to rotate this? This is troubling me so much. Okay. Now let us take this triangle. Okay. ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. What do you mean by that? ABC is a right angle triangle at B. What do you mean by that?
B is equal to 90 degrees.
B is equal to 90 degree. Very good. B is equal to 90 degree. Now I will take one reference angle. This is theta. I will take reference angle theta. I'll take reference angle theta. Okay. Now, I should not touch that. I will take reference angle theta. Now, what is this? Now, we talk about this perpendicular. This is opposite. What do you call that? Opposite. Opposite side only perpendicular. What is opposite side? Perpendicular. Perpendicular. Okay. This base, we call it as adjacent because it is adjacent to this theta. Correct? No. So, the base, we call it as adjacent. So, we will be using opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. You know what is hypotenuse? Bhagya, what is hypotenuse? Bhagya, Nathan. Naresh, what is hypotenuse? What is?
AC is the hypotenuse, ma'am.
What do you mean by that? Okay, AC is hypotenuse, correct? What do you mean by that? The side opposite to?
In a right angle triangle, the sum of the side opposite to the right angle.
So,
Angle.
Bhagya, what is hypotenuse?
Yes, ma'am.
What is hypotenuse?
Longest side, ma'am.
Longest side. More than
Longest
that,
side is known as
side
hypotenuse.
opposite to 90 degree. What you should say? Side opposite to
No
90
idea,
degree.
ma'am.
Okay. Now,
90 degree.
side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about three important concepts. One is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Suppose I refer a reference angle is theta. For the reference angle, this opposite is perpendicular line. Mute yourself, children. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, all of you. All of you, please mute yourself because it's disturbing. Okay, let us start now. Now you see, there is a reference angle theta. Concept of three things we are going to first learn. If you refer some angle, for that opposite will be there, adjacent will be there, hypotenuse will be there. Three sides. Okay, AP is opposite, BC is adjacent, AC is hypotenuse. So these are this opposite means a perpendicular line. This base means adjacent line. Hypotenuse, we know already, that never change. So keeping these three things, we are going to tell 6 ratios. 3 sides of a right angle triangle, 3 sides of right angle triangle, 3 sides of right angle triangle is, we have getting 6 ratios. we are getting 6 ratios. That is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. See, for example, first we'll start sine. SINE, but we will mention it as sine. Just SIN. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So in this given triangle, which is opposite to theta? Which is opposite to the reference angle?
AB.
Opposite.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which is hypotenuse? AC. So
AC.
AB by AC is called sin theta. So tomorrow I'll ask you what is sin theta. You must learn and tell opposite by hypotenuse. By heart you should learn. Okay, because we are going to do many sums based on this. If you don't learn, it is very difficult for us. Okay, so sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta. Okay, sin theta. There are 6 ratios here. There are 6 ratios: sine, cos, cosecant, tan. Again and again I go wrong in that. Okay, now see, sin theta is over. Now is cos. So cosine only we will write it as cos. What is cos theta? What is cos theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is adjacent to this triangle?
BC.
BC by A.
If Naresh has to answer. Naresh, wait, others mute. Let Naresh answer. Naresh, audio is not working.
Ma'am, his mic is not
His mic is not. Very nice way of escaping. Okay. Saida, Afra can answer.
Ma'am, can you teach it once again, ma'am?
Adjacent. It is adjacent. B. Afra is also okay.
Ma'am, it's A.
BC.
BC by BA, ma'am. AB, ma'am.
BC by AC. BC by AC. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. The sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. So don't get sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means base. Opposite means perpendicular. You can use perpendicular. I will understand. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, if you say also, I will understand. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Now tan. Tan theta, tan means tangent. We call it as tan theta. Okay, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So when I do hypotenuse opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse, the hypotenuse get cancelled. So only tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. See.
AB by BC.
See, I will divide and show you in the rough column. I will divide and AB by AC divided by BC by AC. So in fraction, what you will do usually, you will put reciprocal, right? So AC get cancelled. So AB by AC you will get. So AB is opposite. AB by AC. AB by BC.
BC.
AB by BC. Okay. So now BC. Now you understand which is sine. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is, now what is tan? Opposite by adjacent. When I ask you tomorrow, you must say only this. Yeah, correct. Now 3 ratios over. Now the 4th ratio. 4th ratio is cosecant theta. 4th ratio is cosecant. Cosecant means cosec. However you pronounce it as, your pronunciation will differ from person. Okay, cosecant theta is
We are not able to hear
Your
you.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
hypotenuse will come on top and opposite will come down in denominator. Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosecant theta is nothing but, so cosecant you should need not write the full sentence. COSE you should put. COSE is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Same way secant. Secant is SEC you should write. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So when you write reciprocal, you get hypotenuse by
Adjacent.
Suppose they're not putting mute. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Then the last one is cot. The last one is cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So we know tan theta already. We learned tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So cot theta will be adjacent by opposite. That's all. Okay. Now these are the 6 things which you have to learn thoroughly. Okay. So close your eyes and you should learn and see. Okay. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. First, how this is. First, you should get this triangle into your mind. When I ask you question, immediately when you close your eyes, you should get this triangle, that big right angle triangle you should get, and you should get here theta here like this. Okay, sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Okay. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine. So hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Secant theta is by adjacent. Cot theta means reciprocal of tan. So adjacent by opposite. Like that you learn. Tomorrow I'll ask you, you should on this camera, front camera, and you should see the camera and tell not to see the book and say. Okay. Remember that, learn. Very nicely you must learn. Okay. Now, for example, only one sum I'll teach you today. Learn that lesson properly. Learn that question properly. Okay? From ICSE book only. Because in our book, very less sums are there where you will not understand much. So we need to go refer the other books for now. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now the question is find sine I. Find sine A. Instead of theta, they are giving A. This as is reference angle. Okay, sine A. Okay. Now tell me, they are giving. Now tell me what is sine A. Can anybody?
By hypotenuse.
BC divided by
Opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite to sine A? BC by AC. Okay. So this is opposite. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Very good. Now what is cos A?
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Very good. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Which is adjacent?
AB by AC.
Here.
AB by AC.
Yes.
AC.
Okay. Others mute. Let somebody. I'll call out the names. Okay. I forgot all the names. Yes. Amrita only answered. Tan. Which is tan A?
Adjacent
Tan is-
by
No. Tan is opposite by adjacent.
opposite by adjacent.
Tan is opposite by adjacent. Okay. Then for the diagram,
It is
BC by
AB.
AB. BC by AB. BC by AB you should write. Okay. Like that. Now. Very good. Now cosecant. Cosecant A, Tarun. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, right? So seeing that only you can answer. BC by AC is given. So what is cosecant A? Tarun. Tarun is not answering. Varsha.
AC by BC.
AC by BC. That's all. How long to answer that? AC by BC. That is opposite by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse by opposite. That's all. Okay. Secant. Secant A is reciprocal of cos A. AC by AB. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. What is cot A? Again, reciprocal of tan.
AB by BC.
Very good. AB by BC. That means adjacent by adjacent by opposite. Okay. So tomorrow when I'm asking, I think you will able to answer. You should read everything. Okay. Introduction. What you have tried, I will say it. You just write down that only. Okay. Now the question. Classwork. You where classwork? I can't correct only. Okay. Classwork, homework, whatever you want to take. Now there is a same triangle only we'll take, ma. Okay. This is B. Okay. 90 degree. Suppose this is 90. Yeah? Wrong diagram. This board is telling I am drawing wrong and it's putting its own diagram. Okay. Like this. This is only 90 degree. B. A. C. Okay. Given this is 13, this is 5. Now find A. Question is find A. Find sin A. Cos A. Tan A. Cosecant A. Can you hear me, children? Fifth one. Secant square A minus tan square. This is the question. Can you see the question? Now tell me how to do this. Abhishek, are you there, children?
Ma'am, first one is AC by AB.
AC by AB. Okay. Sin A. A is here. So sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, correct? So opposite by BC. Opposite is BC. No, BC by AC.
AC by
correct? No. What is BC? What is BC?
by
Ma?
AC.
Okay, what is BC?
13 square minus 5 square. 140.
Ma'am, I thought it as I got it wrong, ma'am. So sorry.
Okay. Anybody else? Varsha? Aditi? How to calculate?
Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. Who said that?
Jivita.
Aishwati.
Jivita.
Who said that? Jivita. Very good.
Jivita.
According to Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Tarun. Forgot what is Pythagoras theorem.
AC square is equals to AB square plus
BC
BC square.
BC square. Okay. Inner right angle triangle. Tell the theorem. Inner right angle triangle. The square.
In the right angle triangle, the sum of the hypotenuse is equal to
sum of the squares
the
of
square of the
the.
other two sides.
Very good. Don't forget that. Please recall inner right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means in this diagram, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is 13 square. This is X square. This is 5 square. Calculate X square. 13 square is 169. You must learn squares, okay? 169. And then this X square. 5 square is 25. Subtract that. So what you will get?
144.
12.
So what is the X? What is the X? 12.
12.
So if this is 13 and this is 12 means by Pythagoras triplet, we are going to learn triplet. Remember last year I taught you Pythagoras triplet. You should learn Pythagoras triplets, okay? Next class we will talk about that. You learn this. Now you tell sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse.
12 by 13.
Yes.
12 by 13. That's all. Very good. What is cos A, Varun? Adjacent by hypotenuse.
5 by 13.
5 by 13.
Very good. What is tan A? Tan A is opposite by, say the sentence, opposite by adjacent. So what is the answer?
12 by
Opposite is 12. Adjacent is 12 by 5. Fraction. 12 by 5. Okay, make it. We'll stop it. We will not convert it to mixed fraction. If you want, you can convert. 2 by 5 you can convert and write. Okay, tan. After tan, cosecant. What is cosecant? Cosecant is nothing but
Hypotenuse by opposite.
hypotenuse
13 by 12.
by hypotenuse by
13 by 12.
by very good. Then secant A minus T secant square. Secant square minus tan square A.
Hypotenuse by
15
adjacent.
by 13 by 5.
Hypotenuse by adjacent the whole
Minus-
square minus this 12 by 5 the whole square.
1.
Okay. So hypotenuse by adjacent, which is hypotenuse 13.
13.
13 by
5.
5.
13 by 13 by 5 the whole square minus
12 by 5.
12 by 5
12 by
is
5 the whole square.
So 169 minus 144 and divided by 25. So what is answer? 5 25 by 25 which is equal to 1.
1 is the answer.
25 by 25 which is equal to 1. Like this sums only. It will be very easy. You have to only learn what is sine, what is cos, what is tan. Then Pythagoras triplet you should calculate and do. Okay, this is your classwork. And I will send you homework. Okay, I'll give you the homework. You can do on your own. Okay, learn and do the homework. We will end the meeting. Or I'll give you one more sum. Hello.
One more sum, ma'am.
One more sum. Very good. Why they should not ask? Huh? Okay. Now, from the following figure, find the value. Okay. Now, again, second question. Now, homework. Homework only we'll be doing here. Find the value of A, B, C. Okay. This is 4 and this is 3. Okay. AC is not given. Find all this trigonometrical ratio. Find all the trigonometrical ratio. There are 6 ratios. Sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, and cot A. So now all the trigonometrical ratio you should find. How will we find? Tell me.
First, you should find AC.
We have to find AC.
Very good. First we should find AC. Very good. To find AC, what you should do? You should do according to Pythagoras theorem. Very good. According to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square is equal to AB square
AB square
Plus
plus
C. AC square.
Ma'am, AC is equals to 5.
Very good.
Okay.
Because we know triplet means we can straight away write. But steps are important for the evaluator. Unknown evaluator steps are important. So we need to do the steps. Square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Okay, plus or minus 5 you should put and start with 5. Now hypotenuse is 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now you can do, no? What is sine A? Tell me. What is sine A?
by AC.
A.
AB by
Sine A. This is the reference point.
Hypotenuse.
Opposite by hypotenuse. Sine means opposite by
BC by-
hypotenuse. Now
BC
tell
by
us.
AC by
Vamsi.
AC.
4 by
Bhagya, you mute.
BC 4 by.
Bhagya, you mute. Vamsi will answer. Vamsi, tell me sine A. Vamsi will not answer. Okay, Vishnu, sine A is?
Ma'am, BC by AC.
Yeah. Opposite is BC, correct. Number.
Ma'am,
Give me
BC
the
by
number.
AB, ma'am.
4 by
4 by
5.
3.
In
4 by
your
5.
notebook you write 4 by 5. Give me only the number now. Okay. You're writing in the book, you write opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. Now cos theta. Say cos theta, Vishnu.
AB by AC, that is 3
Tell
by
the
5.
number. 3 by 5. Very good. Like that. Tan theta. Now tan theta. Shejal, what is tan theta? Tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Shejal means Bhagya is answering.
Opposite by adjacent.
Shejal.
Opposite by
Tell the
adjacent.
answer.
ma'am.
Tell the answer.
3 by 4.
No, 4
4
by
by
3. There you
by
go
3.
wrong.
Sorry, ma'am.
See, Opposite to A. That is what I'm asking you, because people go wrong in that. Theta means they will think theta will be here. No. The question is sine A. A means A is the reference angle. Think which is a reference angle. For that reference angle, which is opposite, you should check. Okay? Correct. Now tell Shejal again, what is cosecant A?
Hypotenuse by opposite, ma'am.
Tell.
5/4.
Very good. Now, correct. Now you understood. Smita, tell me secant A. Smita? Sumita, tell me what is secant A? So,
Hypotenuse by opposite.
give the answer.
5/4.
5/4. Wrong answer, see.
No,
5/3.
hypotenuse by adjacent, ma'am. 5/3.
5/3, Sumita. Listen carefully. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So tan theta will be hypotenuse by adjacent. Adjacent to this A is 3, not that 4. Okay, that is why I asked you, because you have to understand the concept. Okay, properly. Should go today. Should write everything neatly and understand the concept. Then only cosecant, secant, cot. Cot theta, Vamsi. Cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan. So 4/3. Reciprocal of 4/3.
4/3.
3/4.
3/4.
Reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. That's all. How long you're thinking? Like that you should do, children. Now I think you understand.
Ma'am, Vamsi has some mic problem, ma'am.
Okay, Vamsi, I should not ask
Vamsi
you,
has
no?
some mic
When your
some
mic
mic
problem
problem,
is
ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you understand. So today you will take a new chapter, take a new page of your classwork and write down introduction to trigonometry and write what is trigonometry means. Then the concept of perpendicular base hypotenuse, the triangle, you write 2 types of right angle triangle, and then you write what are the 6 ratios and what does it each mean. Don't write perpendicular, you can write opposite. Perpendicular means opposite, base means adjacent. You shall write like that, and then do these 2 sums. You have done the 2 sums you should do. This is your classwork come homework. Okay, thank you, children. We'll leave the meeting tomorrow. We'll see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.